Orient Electric Q3 FY26 results, revenue up 11%, heating or lighting segments drive growth. Orient Electric delivered a resilient performance in Q3 FY26, posting 11% year-on-year revenue growth to 906.5 crore rupees. The increase was driven by strong double-digit performance in the heating category and sustained momentum in lighting and switchgear segments, which helped offset seasonal softness in fans. The company's diversified portfolio continues to demonstrate resilience in a competitive environment. EBITDA for the quarter remained steady at 67.7 crore rupees, maintaining a margin of 7.5%. This reflects disciplined cost management and operating leverage despite persistent commodity inflation. Profit before tax, before exceptional items related to the one-time impact of new labor codes, increased 19% year to 43.6 crore rupees. Segment-wise, the ECD business grew 12.6% year, powered by strong performance in heating. Fans experienced a seasonal slowdown, but overall revenue growth was supported by lighting, switchgear, and wires segments. The balanced contribution across multiple categories underscores the strength of Orient Electric's diversification strategy. On a sequential basis, revenue increased by 29% over Q2 FY26, highlighting both strong seasonal demand and effective operational execution. Gross profit for the quarter reached 270.4 crore rupees, with gross margin slightly contracting to 29.8%, reflecting input cost pressures in certain categories. For the 9-month period ended December 2025, revenue increased 6.6% year to 2,378.1 crore rupees. EBITDA grew 10.8% year to 151.7 crore rupees, with margins improving modestly to 6.4%. Profit before tax rose 19.2% year to 83.6 crore rupees, while PAT increased to 55.6 crore rupees, up 6.9% from the same period last year. Orient Electric continues to invest in premium offerings, digital initiatives, and consumer-focused solutions. The company is expanding category leadership in BLDC fans, luminaries, and heating, while scaling B2B operations in lighting, switchgear, and wires. These strategic investments position the company for sustainable multi-engine growth. The management highlighted that operating efficiency and disciplined cost control have helped maintain stable EBITDA margins even amid commodity inflation. This indicates that the company is successfully balancing growth with profitability and is positioned to leverage seasonal demand in upcoming quarters. From a strategic perspective, diversification across product lines and channels continues to be a key driver for the company. The heating category's robust growth and lighting or switchgear segment momentum indicate that Orient Electric is moving toward a more balanced and resilient revenue model. Looking ahead, the company's focus remains on premiumization, digital engagement, and category leadership across multiple product lines. With steady performance in core segments and continued investment in innovation, the company is expected to maintain growth momentum and profitability while navigating seasonal and market fluctuations. Overall, Q3 FY26 results reflect a well-balanced performance by Orient Electric. Revenue growth, EBITDA stability, strong segmental performance, and disciplined cost management underline the company's ability to deliver consistent shareholder value while strengthening its diversified business model. The stock market moves fast, and missing one update can cost you. To stay ahead with the latest company news, quarterly results, and order wins, hit that subscribe button now. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a market beat.